whatever the output will be. Now to check this one, we have to divide this one actually into three parts, that is del of Q0 0 union del of Q1 0 and union del of Q2 0. And if after finding all these things, we have to find epsilon closure. Now with this one, what we is we have used here input as ABC. Suppose we are working with A and A. I am modifying this one as A, and input symbols also here is A. So Q0 A, by Q0 A we can go to Q0 itself. By Q0 A, can we go to any other state? No. Then Q0 by Q1 A we can go to any state, that is null, and Q2 we can go to any state, that is Q0. Now we have to find again epsilon closure of this Q0. So epsilon closure is Q0 is already we know. So we have the state as Q0, Q1 and Q2. This is the first state. Next is by giving Q0 to 0 we got this one. Now Q01, if we check for Q01, the process will be same, the input will be same, and we have to check all the other inputs. So by again we have with del function with Q0, Q1 and Q2 and with B, and then we have to find the E closure. For Q0B we can go to epsilon and then B, Q1. For Q1 we can go to Q1, and for Q2 we can go, so we have Q1 here. So by A we are going to here by from Q0. If we maintain a table here, Q0 we are seeing for A, B and C. So we will be finding that first with A we have went to Q0, Q1 and Q2. Now for B we are going to with Q0, Q1 E closure, Q1 E closure is Q1 and Q2 only. For C we are going to QC. So same thing for QC also we need to find, that is del of Q0, Q1 and Q2 and with C. So for this one we will be going to only Q2. Now for Q1 we have to start with, so we will be checking for only Q1, Q2 here now. For Q1 epsilon closure, so for Q1 and Q2 we don't have any transitions, therefore it will be of here it will be like null transition. And for Q1, Q2 with B, now we will be having with Q1 only. So for Q1 again we have to check for Q1, Q2, and for C it will be Q2. Now for Q2, if we have Q2 is only itself, so we don't need to check for Q other string. So Q2A is no, we don't have anything, that's why you can put epsilon. Sorry. Here for Q2B also, for Q2B also we will be going to only Q2B, that's why no option and Q2. So these are the states that we got now. So we can put it into diagram and will be, now these are the states. So we have Q0, we can name it another state as Q0, Q1, Q2, we can have Q1, Q2 and we have Q2. So by A we are going to itself. So by B we are going to this one, and by C from Q0 we are going to, if we check for this one we are going to Q2, and for Q1, Q2 we are going to, from Q0 we are going to A, B and C. We can check here for A we are going to actually Q0, and for B we are going to, by Q0 we are going to be Q1 and Q2, Q1 and Q2 and C. In this way you can have that diagram. Thank you. These are for today. Is the time exceeded?